You guys, I'm in Ayden, North Carolina at 641 East 2nd Street. It's a gorgeous Craftsman built in 1914, and it's got over 3,700 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 2 baths. Needs a little work, and it's listed at $275. Let's take a look. Before we go in, let's just appreciate this architecture. There's a really tall porte de cochere right there, which is a carport. Got the exposed beams up there. Back up a little bit. This is really a big, wide house. And look at those windows up there. It's right down the street from downtown Ayden. I just left Wendy's Goodies, a great little spot for lunch. It's in walking distance. So let's take a look. Kitty? There's a kitty. This is a huge porch, okay? There's one side. Huge porch. All the way across the front and wraps around both sides of the house. And then you got your stairs down to your carport. You could fit an RV under there, probably not wide enough, but this is really tall. There's all these original windows in great shape with hinges. They swing out. This is on the front porch. Got the side lights and the transom over the door. Beautiful wavy glass. Let's go inside. Okay, you guys. First, there's so many little details already. Look at this door chain. Retractable lock, door lock, chain door lock. Very cool. Okay, we'll walk in. It's a big living room. You've got the original light fixtures in here. The house does need some work. These are look like 12-foot ceilings, light fixtures. There's your fireplace. All these heavy Craftsman wood window frames and door frames. Over to the left, oh my goodness, there's a pocket door, okay. Into another room. Oh, and here, look at this detail. You guys, the original push button light fixtures are here, okay? That's one of those really cool Craftsman details that you don't see that much. There's a lot of original stuff here. Looks like there may have been a roof leak at one time. Maybe it's active, I'm not sure, but we've got some missing plaster. Another original light fixture. Another original fireplace. These brick arches kind of match the columns on the front of the house. And then we've got another set of pocket doors. Are they pocket? Yes, another set of pocket doors that look like they may be off the track. They go into the central hallway. Off to the right. And also this loops around and goes back into the living room. This is our dining room. Another really cool original light fixture. Again, this house was built in 1914. Another original mantle. Some really old linoleum on the floor that's actually kind of cool. I'm a nerd that way. Okay. Your typical Craftsman windows in the dining room with the stained glass detail. And this leads into butler's pantry. Who doesn't love a butler's pantry? And into the kitchen. There's a really old refrigerator in here just humming away. Probably from the 80s. It's like stepping back in time. Look at this old stove, these laminate countertops. It's like we've got a mid-century remodel here. And a nice, very nice sized pantry. It goes all the way up there. Good place for your bookshelves. You could actually, it's big enough to make the laundry room if you wanted to move the plumbing. So there's already some water back there. Maybe even a half bath, actually. Okay, so out the kitchen, the other side, into the back of the central hallway. There's a basement. There's a basement. I hear water running, which is not good, but you know. I can't see the stairs enough to walk down there. The light bulb is out here. But, okay. There's carpet on the stairs. I see a floor. It's not covered with water. There is some water running. It may be a plumbing leak. It may be from the ground where we've had all this rain lately. We just had Tropical Storm Debbie come through here and dump a bunch of rain. So we're in the back of the central hallway. Back to the front of the central hallway, off to the opposite of the dining room. We've got a bedroom, really big bedroom, with some funky ceiling tiles. Not sure if that was a window or what that was that's boarded up. Closet here. And we're behind the parlor fireplace, so I wonder if there used to be a fireplace in here. Another closet. Look. I'm really enamored with those push button light switches. Okay, and it comes into a bathroom that also leads out into the hall. So this is your downstairs bath. You've got your original tub in here. This could be a really nice project. Look, that low toilet from like Art Deco style. Into a little bit farther back, another bedroom. This is like Grandma's house. Okay, this is a Jack and Jill. The bathroom shared, both downstairs bedrooms shares that bathroom, and it goes out to the hallway. And then before we go upstairs, let's go ahead and step out and look at the back porch. A big enclosed back porch. Plenty of room for a freezer and sitting area. I don't know, whatever you want to do. And look, there's another room back here, an office off the back porch. It looks like this is where the laundry was. I would move that. Okay. Now we're going upstairs. Wood floors are not covered up with carpet up here. Oh, this is huge. Okay. I'm also obsessed with old light fixtures, and there's another really nice original light fixture. So there's this big open area up here where they've got a little dining area and sitting area all the way to the front. There's those beautiful windows that we saw when we drove up. So this looks like, I can touch the ceiling and I'm short if I stand on my tiptoes. So this is like a 7-foot ceiling up here. Look. Well, I don't want to mess up anything. There's some of this original hardware on the windows. So let's see. Unlock the window. How does this work? Okay, I don't know. Sorry. All right. On the right side of the house, here's another room. Looks like this was somebody's office for sure. How long has it been since you saw one of these? And one of these. This is really a time capsule. Adding machine. I mean, do you guys even remember these? I do, but I'm old. Little closet. Straight across to the other side. Another room. About the same size. This one doesn't have a closet. So it may not be counted in the total bedroom count because I'm already up to 5 possible bedrooms. But they may not be counting the ones with no closets. Here's a closet out here. It's hard to see, but I smell it. This is a cedar-lined closet. And I can't find the light switch for it. Got a cedar-lined closet up here. And then to the back. Just look at that window. And here's your upstairs bathroom. Look at that tub. I mean, look at this. Can you imagine this bathroom redone and those windows? Look at that old fan. I mean, there's so many old details here. And another closet. And I think maybe you can see this time that one is also cedar lined. So there's your second bathroom. So 2 bedrooms downstairs and a bathroom. 3 bedrooms upstairs and a bathroom. 37 plus square feet. What's back here? There's access to the attic. Back down the stairs. $641 2nd Street in Ayden, North Carolina. Listed at $275,000. It's only been on the market for a few days. This is an old house lover's dream. If you're a Craftsman lover like I am. There's so much here of the original detail, and there's also so much room to put your own spin on everything. If you want to see it and you're pre-qualified, give me a call or send me a message. There's like this original carriage house and also a detached 2-car garage. Looks like possibly an apartment up there. Got a driveway in the front and then this driveway in the back. This is the back of the house.